Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in grooming tools. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best of the best in hair clippers for barbers, the NOVAH professional hair clippers. Whether you're a seasoned barber or just someone who wants top-notch grooming at home, these clippers are making waves. Let's break down why. The NOVAH professional hair clippers aren't just your average clippers. Designed with input from barbers around the globe, these clippers are crafted to deliver precision and power. They come equipped with 6 premium guards, a variable gauge adjustable head, and ultra-sharp blades, giving you unparalleled control over your cuts. What sets these clippers apart is their industry-leading precision. Whether you're shaping a fade or outlining a crisp edge, the NOVAH clippers handle it all with ease. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long sessions, while the ultra-high-definition LED display keeps you informed about speed and power levels. Powered by a lithium fast-charge battery, these clippers are built for endurance. They boast a turbo 2-speed option that provides both precision and power when needed. Plus, the all-metal unibody construction not only looks sleek but also ensures a secure grip and durability that lasts. So, why should you consider NOVAH over other options? Well, these clippers have been rigorously tested and trusted in some of the world's best barbershops. They're designed to meet the demands of professionals, and now, they're available for everyone who values quality grooming. In conclusion, if you're serious about your grooming game, investing in the NOVAH professional hair clippers is a no-brainer. Whether you're a barber by trade or simply want salon-quality cuts at home, these clippers deliver precision, power, and comfort. What more could you ask for? That wraps up our review of the NOVAH professional hair clippers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy grooming!